We're going to need a plastic bag and a piece of aluminum foil about this size. Now, grab a pair of scissors and cut the foil into several smaller pieces. Each piece should be roughly the same size. Next, take the pieces of foil and, using your hands, roll them up into small balls, just like this. I've made 4 shiny little balls here. Now, grab a cup or a glass of water and pour it into the plastic bag. Fill it up to about 3/4 full. Drop in the aluminum balls one by one, letting them sink to the bottom. Now, tie the bag securely with a tight knot to make sure the water stays inside. During hot seasons, houses and outdoor spaces are constantly invaded by pesky flies and other annoying insects. The combination of water and shiny aluminum creates a reflective light effect that insects absolutely hate. It messes with their vision and they fly away instantly. You can hang these bags near your kitchen, barbecue area or garden, and they'll keep flies and insects away effortlessly.